Obesity is a growing concern. It affects millions worldwide, cutting across all demographics and age groups. But it's not just about the numbers on the scale. It's about the overall impact on health and quality of life. Obesity impacts every aspect of a person's life, from daily activities to long-term health outcomes. From physical health to emotional well-being, the consequences can be devastating, leading to stress, anxiety, and depression. We need to change our approach. It's time to rethink how we tackle this issue. It's time to ditch the fad diets and quick fixes that offer temporary solutions. Let's focus on sustainable solutions that empower individuals to take control of their health. We need to address the root causes of obesity. This includes poor nutrition, lack of physical activity, and emotional eating, which are often overlooked. It's about making lasting lifestyle changes that promote overall well-being. This is where mindful exercise comes in, helping individuals connect with their bodies. It's not just about burning calories or losing weight. It's about connecting with your body and mind, fostering a positive relationship with physical activity. It's about finding joy in movement and making exercise a fun, integral part of life. Mindful exercise is about being present in your body, feeling every sensation as it comes. It's about paying attention to your breath, noticing the rhythm and depth of each inhale and exhale. It's about noticing how your muscles feel, the tension and release. Forget about distractions. Let go of judgment. Focus on the here and now, immersing yourself fully in the present moment. This is how you transform exercise from a chore into a meaningful practice. It becomes a form of self-care, a way to nurture both your body and mind. Imagine yourself walking in nature, each step grounding you. Feel the sun on your skin, its warmth energizing you. Listen to the birds singing, their melodies calming your mind. Breathe in the fresh air, filling your lungs with nature's purity. This is mindful exercise. It's about finding peace within yourself as you move, creating harmony between your body and mind. It's about connecting with your surroundings, feeling a part of the world around you. It's about making exercise a holistic experience, one that enriches your entire being. The benefits of mindful exercise are numerous. Yes, you'll lose weight, but you'll gain so much more. It reduces stress and anxiety. It improves sleep quality. It boosts your mood. It increases self-esteem. It enhances body image. It's a powerful tool for overall well-being. Mindful exercise helps you develop a healthier relationship with your body. You'll appreciate what your body can do. You'll learn to listen to its signals. This leads to better food choices. It motivates you to stay active. It's a positive cycle of change. Section 4. Your body, your gym. Simple steps to success. You don't need fancy equipment. Start with simple exercises at home. Try brisk walking. Find a peaceful spot outdoors. Focus on your breath and your surroundings. Practice yoga. Flow through poses with intention. Pay attention to your alignment. Engage your muscles. Try bodyweight training. Use your own resistance. Perform squats, lunges, and push-ups. Focus on proper form. Challenge yourself gradually. Every small step counts. Consistency is key. Make time for yourself. Schedule your workouts. Treat them as important appointments. Section 5. Triumph over trouble, real people, real results. Countless individuals have transformed their lives. They embraced mindful exercise. They achieved incredible results. Take Sarah, for example. She struggled with her weight for years. She felt trapped in a cycle of diets and disappointment. She felt hopeless and defeated. Then she discovered yoga. It was a turning point. Through yoga, Sarah found peace and strength. She connected with her inner self. She learned to listen to her body. She made healthier choices. She embraced a balanced lifestyle. She lost weight and gained confidence. Her journey was transformative. John's story is equally inspiring. He faced his own set of challenges. He battled obesity and depression. Running became his therapy. It was his escape. John focused on his breath. He cleared his mind. Each run was a step towards healing. He found solace in each stride. Running gave him purpose. He lost weight, overcame depression, and discovered his inner athlete. His transformation was remarkable. These stories prove that transformation is possible. Real people, real results. It starts with a single step, a step towards a better you. It starts with a commitment to yourself, a promise to never give up. Section 6. Embrace the challenge. Your transformation starts now. You have the power to change your life. Don't wait for tomorrow. Start your journey today. Embrace the principles of mindful exercise. Move your body, connect with your breath, pay attention to the present moment. You'll be amazed by the results. Remember, this is about progress, not perfection. Celebrate every victory. No matter how small, it matters. Be kind to yourself. Listen to your body. Find joy in the journey. You are capable of incredible things. Believe in yourself. Start moving towards a healthier, happier you.